Stop by and take a look at the 2013 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, one owner, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, electronic stability control, fog lights. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.